Good morning. This is the latest prize I claimed from the Dave & Buster's prize room. I believe it was 9,000 tickets. I actually have it, the box says Dave & Buster's on it. So it looks like it was made exclusively for Dave & Buster's. And it says with lights and sounds. I did read the back. It requires 4D batteries. So let me get this opened up and put the batteries in, and we will do a toy test. See if it was worth it. Looks like it has plastic tokens, which is a bummer. I would have preferred to put in real pennies or real coins, but they got plastic. Let's see what it looks like opened. All right, here's the coin pusher out of the box. Instructions, plastic tokens. So this little slot you can open up to put all the tokens in at once, or you can feed them with these two slots because you want some build up. And then if we flip it to the bottom, the battery thing is on the bottom. This is the bottom of the coin pusher. I put the 4 batteries in. First flaw of the game is this where the screw goes in on the other side. It's just a plastic hole. It's not serrated at all. There is nothing for the screw to grab onto. And so this just pops open. Very, very annoying. So yeah, it's just a plain plastic hole. It should be serrated or corrugated, whatever you call it, for the screw to grab onto. It's not, and it will not stay screwed no matter how I screw it. So I am gonna end up taping this shut. So yeah, first flaw of the game. All right, I have opened the top so I can enter the coins. As you can see how there's a metal circle inside of here. That's what the bottom piece is missing. That's what this screw grabs onto, so it will stay tight. And so I am just going to take these tokens, drop them in, fill up the machine, leave a handful to play with. All right, here we go. I loaded it and there is handful to use. I'm sorry, there is a glare. I've tried everything under the sun and I can't get rid of the glare, but it is nice shiny plastic and a bright room. Unfortunately, it's gonna glare. So let's get this turned on. So you got 2 slots in the top. That's where you put your plastic coins. Oh, I got a 1-1. Alright, so on this side, I did a test, and as you can see, they're building up already. They're stuck. I've tilted it. I can't get them to get unstuck, so yeah. Already second flaw in the machine. It's easy for them to get stuck. tokens. So when you cheat and tilt the machine. Let's see the other music. So that's no music. And that is music. More flashing. Oh, I can see. See how it's flashing a lot more than the other one? There's already scratches on the plastic. Or is that a crack? Oh my goodness. There you go, the new coin pusher. For 9,000 tickets, I don't really think it's worth it. It's plastic, it's very cheap, there's so many design flaws, and it's already like damaged when I got it. So definitely don't recommend wasting 9,000 tickets on it. I mean, it is good for kids. It's just I wish it was a little more heavy duty and it would actually take like pennies or whatever, because you know I can't play. I have no more plastic tokens and I can't add other tokens. It does specifically say, oh, here's one. It does specifically say on the instructions to only use these tokens that are included. So that's a bummer. And yeah, that's it. That's my recommendation. Don't waste your tickets. So anyway, thanks for watching. Please hit the like and subscribe buttons, and I will see you later.